Hello, in this video, I'm going to give some very good trading tips. But first, I want to take a moment to talk about what's going on around us. Most of us are working really hard these days. A 100-hour week or two jobs is not that rare anymore. You are tired, you are burnt out, and your manager is probably tired and burnt out too. Now, there is something new to worry about. What if AI takes your job? Meanwhile, the truth is, things are getting more expensive everywhere. Rent is high, interest rates, mortgage rates, insurance, everything costs more. I remember when a trip to Disney was under $50 per person. In the recent past, there was a reliable way to boost your income through rental properties. You could buy a rental property, second home, rent it out, but that option is quickly closing on us with high prices. So that leaves a small window of opportunity in Bitcoin, believe it or not. Other than that, even during the 2008 recession, housing crisis, trading stocks, options, a reliable way to supplement income. Learning to trade could be one of the best ways to improve your financial situation. It's important to read the market and understand strategies, from simple tools like moving averages to more advanced techniques like market profile, fib levels, etc. You should learn when to buy, when to sell, and how to navigate the market confidently. You could even use covered calls or poor man's covered calls that can help you generate additional income. By the way, trading is not easy, but it's definitely a skill you can learn. For many of us, it could be the most valuable skill to pick up this year. To help you get started, I've put together a training course. It's based on powerful methods to read, understand, and respond to the market, drawn from my personal experience. It's a web-based training with multiple modules that take you one level after another, and it has been priced very affordably, less than $100. Let's dive into some stock picks. Yesterday, we hit an all-time high with a massive divergence between fundamentals and technicals. But as of now, every single thing is pointing to upside, and that should be your bias. Stay long or stay aside. If there is a reversal, there is a gap here. It has to fill the gap and then see how it behaves, whether it fills the gap and goes up further or continues downside. But to have a real downside, it needs to break the closing price of 2024. So as of now, assume that all purchases should be to the long side. My number one pick is AMZN, and if you notice, it has broken the 61 fib and heading towards the 78 fib. So we are looking at $225 probably this week itself if everything falls in place. The monkey bar is also reinforcing the idea, and it has non-overlapping value area and a higher point of control closed at the high of the day. With SPY at all-time high, all the Mag 7 stocks, you can see how far they are away from the all-time high, and they are all going to do a catch-up game. Next is Google, another one just that has broken the 200-day moving average, and this also has quite a bit of room to go, and it can easily go to $183. The next one of interest is Meta, $742. Apple continues to be ignored, and you might also be better off ignoring it until and otherwise it moves sizably above the 50-day moving average at a minimum. If the market opens fairly flat or higher, then you can cautiously be optimistic to get in to the long side, but just be very wary of intraday reversal because right now the fundamentals have a lot of deviation from the technicals.